everyone, welcome to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into Maurices credit card account using your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening up your web browser and go to the search box at the top. Type in Maurices credit card login and press enter. You'll end up in the next page where all of the search results are displayed. Click on this first link that you see that says manage your account. As soon as you do that, you'll end up in the home page of Maurices credit card account. Go ahead and click on the sign in button at the top of the screen. This will bring up your login area at the right hand corner. Go ahead and enter your username in the first text field that you see and then head over to the password field and type in your password. Double check your password by clicking on the shell link or the eye icon at the right corner of the password box. If you want the system to remember your username, click on this Remember Me box. But if you're using a public device or a shared mobile device, make sure to leave this unchecked before logging in. In case you don't remember your username or your password, you can retrieve your username back or simply reset your password to a new one. After entering all of the credentials correct and you're ready to log in, click on the sign in button and you'll be logged into your Maurices credit card account. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.